Hello, Internet. Welcome to another exciting edition of Corporate Armor Unboxing, the web series where we unbox the latest and greatest in security tech, and then we show you guys how cool it is. In this episode, we will be unboxing the FortiAP 221E. Now, the FortiAP 221E is designed to be installed indoors in a medium density environment. So it makes it ideal for an office environment or classroom or even a small retail store. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what's inside. All right, so in the box, you get the access points. We'll come back to that in just a moment. Got some quick start guides, some mounting hardware. Now, the supplied mounting hardware, it does allow you to mount the AP to a wall or a ceiling or even a T-mount rail. We're going to get a little bit more into that in just a few moments. Now, on the front of the AP, you have your status lights, and on the back of the AP, you have your plug for the power supply and also the LAN PoE plug. Now, it is important to note that this switch does not come with a power supply. So if you do want to power it, which I would hope you'd want to power it, you'd have to hook it up either to a switch with PoE or a PoE injector, or there is a separate power supply that can be purchased. All these items can be purchased through Corporate Armor, so check it out if you need to be able to provide power to your access point. So let's take a quick look at the specs on the 221E. The FortiAP 221E has 2 radios, 4 internal antennas, 2x2 multi-user MIMO. It has a throughput of 867 megabits per second, and it uses 802.11 AC Wave 2. Now, when I was unboxing this, I had said that we would talk a little bit more about mounting options. And I just wanted to let you guys know, RackMount actually has a universal access point mounting kit. I'm going to be doing a separate unboxing video on that in the near future. In that video, I'm actually going to be using this exact AP. So stay tuned for that one. You could also click on the subscribe button or that little bell icon, so that way you'll be notified when the video comes out or when any other Corporate Armor video comes out. So I want to go ahead and do that now. I'll give you guys a moment. Now, the FortiAP 221E can be centrally managed. This can be done either through the WLAN controller in your FortiGate device or through the FortiAP Cloud Provisioning and Management portal. So to recap, if you are in the market for an access point for your school or office or small retail store, I definitely would recommend checking out the FortiAP 221E. Now, for more information on either this access point or another access point or any other Fortinet device, contact Corporate Armor today. Our security experts can help you find the product that best fits your business. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons somewhere around here, maybe. I don't know. They'll be put on here in post to stay up to date and notified with everything that we have going on at Corporate Armor.
Like this video, you should check out some of our other Corporate Armor videos by clicking here and here, or here and here, or I really don't know where they're going to put the videos, but you're already here, so you might as well check them out.